What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is actually the brand new series. You can see the name, Everyday Automations using Python. So I got so many requests for last couple of months that we should start doing something more on the fundamental side of the Python. Mainly for which Python is actually popular, not the advanced topics like website development or Flask or machine learning, data science. And most of this requester I believe came from the IT administrator or the one those are heavily working on some admin related job, and for them actually automation is very much useful. I'm not saying that those are working in a software development or development related work, for them automation is not useful, but many of them is not using Python, so that is why maybe they are not relying on Python. But if you use Python, those automations are going to be very easy. So I believe this tutorial is going to be helpful for everyone. So I'll be going to cover more than 50 use cases using Python, and all of them are actually being used everywhere. Maybe these are one of this most fundamental or most useful use cases whatever we are doing. For example, the first one, which is very popular, how to parse JSON file and after that convert that file into CSV using Python. I believe this is one of the most important thing. All of you guys are dealing with this thing, whether you are a developer, whether you are a tester, or whether you are a administrator. So definitely this is going to be help you. And I also got so many use cases. Thank you very much guys. I actually not possible to spell all of your names, but don't worry, from the next video onwards I'll create a list, and I will whenever I'm going to start the create or whenever I'm going to create the video or record the video, I'll definitely speak out your names guys. So that's it guys, enough of talking. So this is going to be completely hands-on, and all fun stuffs are there, like lots of codes and all. Okay, so first thing, parse JSON to CSV using Python. So what I'll do, I'll using this simple API endpoints to get the response, and after getting the response I'll be using that response to generate a CSV file using the station name and station ID. So I'll just give you a simple example or baseline, and after that you can tweak the code and you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so first thing first, let me copy this thing, how to do this thing. Okay, so now let me import few libraries IO and import request. That's it. Then let's response equals to request dot get. Okay, we'll do this thing. Not sure what happened. Let's run and check whether it is working fine. Okay, so how to check whether your response is successful or not? So just try to print this thing. If it is 200, then it is fine. Okay, 200. Okay, it's fine. Then we'll create the data using response.json. Okay, right? Okay, now I'll print this thing. So we got the JSON response. Now this is a dictionary, so we'll want to see how many keys are there. Okay, so by this thing you can understand. So what you have to do, we have to just use simple technique. You have to apply set on this dictionary. That's it. It will give you how many different unique keys are there. So we have to deal with execution time and station list. So execution time is only 1. Let me show you. Okay, so I believe execution time is common for everyone. What time we are going to do execute this request, that time, that is that time actually. Okay, rest of the actually it is coming in the US time zone, so 3 AM definitely US. Okay, so station bin list means this one. So my objective is to get the values from this dictionary. Okay, so what I'll do, okay, that's it. Okay, so this is a dictionary. Okay, for which actually we'll be going to apply our logic. Okay, if you see in the dictionary, this is actually like list. this dictionary, this is the value, this is the key of the dictionary, and the value is a list, and list is also separated. Every element of a list is a dictionary as well. Okay, if you see here, every element in a list is a dictionary. So what is happening here? So this is the key, okay, of this dictionary, and the value is this list, and again this list is actually dictionary. Every element of a list is a dictionary. So if you see here, if you apply length, you will identify how many elements in the list. So how many dictionaries? See, 937 elements are there. So each and every one is actually a dictionary. So for example, if I put 0, it will list down the first element, okay, the ID, station names and all, right? Okay, so if you put 1, it will give you the next one like this. Okay, so from this dictionary, what we want? We want name, and as per our requirement, what we want? We want name, station name and ID. But again, if your requirement is large enough, and if you are not sure about the columns, the keys, you can again apply the set thing. But here our requirement is to get the station name and ID. ID is here. So what I'll do, I will look for station name or something related to name. Why this is not coming? Where is the station name? I'm just searching for that. Yes, it's there. So what I'll do, so 0 means the first element in the list, and within the list, it is every element in the list is actually a dictionary separated by key value. So it will be like this. So I'll get the station name here, okay, and if I put ID, I will get the ID as well. So I want to list down that thing. How to do that? That is the next thing. So what I will do, so this is ID, right? And next, I believe next thing will be okay, let me print again. Okay, actually forgot to list down that thing. Print this thing. So will be easier to list down. Okay, station name and ID. Okay, so first one will be ID, second one will be station name and ID. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is the station list, and so this is actually a list. This key means this is the key value and this is a list. So what will happen now for I in range? Okay, so length of this list, okay, this list, okay, like this, okay, and we have to not this, okay, and now we are using 0, we'll be using I, okay, I, and we'll be generating a data row, okay, data row, and what will be that? So it will be ID plus, then comma separated, then name, and then the new line character. It means it will be print line by line. Okay, so I believe ID is going to be integer, so I have to concatenate using this. Okay, string ID, then it is concatenating with this comma, then after that this. Okay, that's it. And after that, what we want to do, we want to write this thing in a file. So with io dot open, and let me just out okay, station list dot csv, okay, and then it will be like in write mode, and encoding will be going to use encoding as utf -8, okay, as f1, I think, encoding like this, and everything will be a bit shifted towards right. Okay, so like this, and after that f1 dot right, and we'll write name. This is a column, okay, and comma, separated by comma, and after that or let's say comma, and after that we'll use id. I believe I did a mistake, so it will be id and name. So id and name, and after that it will be like this, okay. So I'll be writing the header for the first time, and after that it will start from here. So f1 dot write data, okay, and after that we'll be just closing everything here. The file will be closed here, okay. Okay, so f1 dot close. So that's it. So what is happening here? So this is the thing, and this is the key. We got this key from the set, so that is why we understood that this key is also actually a list, and within the list every element is a dictionary. So that is why we are going one by one, like indexing. This is actually indexing the list, and after that inside the list every element is a dictionary. We are just getting the value for dictionary value, dictionary key, like key value pair kind of a concept. So it is actually a dictionary. So the key is id and another key is station name. For that we are getting the value, and after that we are concatenating here, and we are writing everything here, and after that we're just closing this thing. So we'll get a file over here with the name station list.csv. Let me check whether any files are there or not. So no file. So let me run this thing. I'm not sure, something I did. What is this? I'm not sure what is happening. What is this? Runners. Why this is running like this? I am not sure. Terminate. Remove or terminate. Okay, let me run this thing now. Okay. Why this is running like this? I'm not sure. Data. Okay, I have to like write this one, rather I just writing the JSON response, so that is why I'm getting the error. So let me write this thing. So it's now terminated. So if I open this thing, so you have to be very careful guys. I just I put data, but it will be data row. See that station list is here. So let me open this thing. So it opens. So I believe all of you know how to do this thing, but again, if you're opening with directly Excel, it will allow you. So you have to click the first row, then you have to go to data, and you have to go to text columns, and that's it. See, you got nice looking CSV, right? ID and name. But again, if you're directly opening it within Excel, it will give you this thing. But just because I'm opening it directly from this thing like Eclipse, it is just asking me to do these things. Okay, so this is very simple thing guys. So first of all, you have to understand the structure of your data. After that, you have to identify how many list things are there. So let me just do this thing, so it will be easier for all of you guys. Print set data. So basically this will help you to understand the keys in the dictionary. Okay, and depending on that, you can do whatever things you want to do. So this is very simple guys. So if you understand this thing, you can tweak this thing, and you can do whatever JSON format you are having into CSV. The only thing is that, for example, if you want to get some other values, for example, let me just run this thing. Okay, so I want okay, let me do one thing. Print this is also a dictionary, as I told you. What I'll do, I will see. Okay, and I'll put 1. Okay, what are the things are there? For example, I have total dogs, I have longitude, I have street address, I have postal code. Okay, so what I want now, I want to have a postal code here. So what I'll do, I postcode. Okay, and what I'll do, I'll take a copy, I'll put it here, and I'll copy this thing, right, and I will put comma like this, then this, then it will be postcode. Okay, and like this. Okay, so I'm getting the postcode value from here. I'm just again appending it with this thing, right? I'm getting the postcode value here, right? Okay, and ID, then comma, then this thing, then postcode, and this thing. But why this is throwing error, I'm not sure. Let me check. Okay, bad it is saying it is somehow bad indentation. I am not sure why this is showing bad indentation, but I'm not sure. Okay, so let's do this thing. And last thing, here also we have to do the same thing. Okay, so like comma, and after that we have to write like this. Okay, and it will be like this, postcode, and like this. Okay, so let's run this thing now. So let me delete this thing. So you can see it is very easy. Unexpected character line. Okay, I actually forgot to this thing. Okay, now hopefully everything is fine. Okay, let's run this thing. Okay, what is saying? I am not sure why I am getting this error. Okay, the thing is that I forgot this thing here. Okay, hopefully this will be done now. Okay, let's run this thing now. Okay, we got everything. Let's refresh this thing. So we got station list. Okay, not sure. Yeah, it came. So let's do the same thing again. Text to column, this comma separated, finish. See, this is the name and this is the postcode. So most of them are not having any postcode, so that is why I'm not getting anything. So this was not the right example to show you guys. So let me do something else. Let me try. Let's say we'll try with location. Okay, so it will be location, this will be location again, and this will be location, and this will be as well location. So let's try with this thing. I think this is done. Let me refresh. Yes, it's done. I believe some values are came for location, so hopefully this is the right example. You guys will understand. Okay, location also not having any value. Okay, what else we think we can do? Maybe longitude, latitude, or let's say this. Okay, let's try this thing. Okay, so we need to use str because this is string, and we can only concatenate string, not integer. So let's make it. Okay, done. So hopefully refresh. I think now we got some values. Okay, text to columns, finish. Okay, we got values, but the thing is that it is some formatting. Okay, for formatting it came like this, but it's not a problem, because ultimately you'll be opening this thing with CSV. So let me show you when you are going to open this in your CSV, how does it look. So here to JSON to CSV, and after that this is the file. So you are going to open it with text edit, that's in CSV. You will get all the values. Okay, so you can open it within CSV, but you have to do some formatting, because CSV it is taking some sort of like what do you say, like numeric number formatting. But if you see, all data are coming, so you can use it for any other formatting or whatever you want to do. So it's nice actually. Okay, so that's it guys. Probably we can do something in the next video as well, but what I'll do, let me, before I forgot, let me just quickly update this thing here. So definitely these things are going to help you. I'm not sure why these things are coming, but don't worry guys, I'll upload the source code as well in the GitHub repository. Okay, so that's it guys. So this is the first example. So as I told you, I'll be going to cover more than 60 or 70, I'm not sure, maybe 100. So definitely everything will be use case oriented, and not like theory or some basic things. I'll be not going to cover any basic things, rather I'll be focusing on the use case or exercise, whatever you guys are providing or whatever is mostly used all the industries. Okay, so definitely this tutorial is going to help you. So stay tuned with our channel, and please do subscribe to our channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon if you are already subscribed. Thank you very much. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe our channel. It will actually help us to reach the larger audience. And if you have any question, doubt, feedback or clarification, feel free to write us. We'll always there to help you. Or if you have any feedback or suggestion for us, also you can write us. We'll always try to improve our quality. And thank you very much for all the Udemy students. Thanks for purchasing this course. It is actually helping me a lot, and I will try to improve my quality as well in the upcoming videos. And same applicable for all of you guys. If you guys are having any doubt, please write me via Udemy message box. I'll actually always available. I'm actually always available there. I'm not sure when I'm not getting the notification on timely manner, but I actually available there. So if you send me message, I'll always try to answer as much as possible within the time frame. Okay, so enough of talking guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day. And don't forget to practice. If you are not going to practice, you will definitely forget. And try to build up some other use case, try to enhance this code and send me an email, or let me know how you guys develop this thing. This is actually improve our interaction and also improve your capabilities and coding standards. Okay, so that's it guys. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.